Message of the day. Day 18.
Spread the love like wildfire today. Let kindness, compassion, and empathy will ignite the flame of connection and unity. In a world often filled with divisions and strife, there is a powerful antidote: the unshakable power of love. Today let's heed the call. Spread love like wildfire, lighting the hearts of humanity with kindness, compassion and empathy. In the quiet moments of our lives, amid chaos and noise, there is an opportunity to sow the seeds of connection. A smile shared with a stranger, a comforting hug offered to a friend in need, or a gentle word spoken to soothe a troubled soul. These simple actions can overcome barriers and overcome the chasms that separate us. Kindness is like a gentle breeze, sweeps through the corridors of our existence, breathing life into the dormant embers of compassion. It is in the warmth of his embrace that we find solace, comfort and understanding. Let's be vessels through which kindness flows freely, nourishing the parched landscapes of our world with her healing touch. Compassion, a beacon of light in times of darkness, reminds us of our common humanity. This is the thread that binds us together, weaving a tapestry of empathy and understanding. In the embrace of compassion there is no place for hatred or fear, only acceptance and love. Empathy, the cornerstone of communication, invites us to take the place of another person, see the world through his eyes, and feel the excitement of his heart. It is through empathy that we develop deeper connections, paving the way for mutual respect and appreciation. Today let's fan the flames of love, allowing her radiance to illuminate the darkest corners. Our world. Let's extend a hand of friendship to those in need. Let us offer comfort to the weary and hope to the oppressed. Let's be the architects of change, building bridges of understanding and acceptance wherever we go. Because in the end, it is love that unites us, love that heals us, and love that will lead us to a brighter future. So let's stand together, hearts burn with the fire of love, and spread its warmth everywhere, until it envelopes the world in its tender embrace. What a wonderful feeling! Spreading love, kindness, compassion and empathy can truly ignite powerful connections and promote unity among people. Every little act of kindness may cause a ripple effect, touching the lives of many people. Let's all strive to be beacons of positivity and warmth in the world, spreading love like wildfire wherever we go.